Let us take a look the index performance. 所以我们先看这个指数哈，所以看它的表现如何。所以最近的表现 index. So what happened to the US dollar and the gold? Okay, so US dollar near the bottom actually, right? Near the bottom. So I think they will rebound, but maybe it's a short-term rebound. Okay, maybe short-term rebound. And then this is a resistance again, right? 所以 short term 的话有可能会 rebound 一些，可是如果它这个顶到这个阻力的话，有可能它会回调。So if you look at the gold price, right, gold price is actually near the high. So I can see that gold price is actually overbought. Okay, overbought means that profit taking may happen anytime soon. All right, but this I believe the profit taking is not what we call that is considered a healthy pullback. Reason is because that gold price is still considered uptrend. So if you compare with USD, okay, USD is downtrend, right? 所以如果你看这个图的话，其实黄金其实是在上涨趋势的状况。所以我说这个黄金是在超买区的意思是说，有可能它会有这个套利的现象anytime 会发生，所以随时都会发生这个套利的状况因为黄金是在这个超买区，所以如果你看美元的话，美元其实它是在这个底部，所以底部的话有可能它会发生这个短期的反弹，所以短期的反弹也是有一个阻力了所以你看的话，这个红色线阻力是一个很强的阻力。All right, so this is the situation for gold price and the what we call that US dollar. So I did talk about US dollar November, and if you still remember, I did advise some of you try to convert some of your US dollar in November to Sing dollar, because at the end of the day, I mean, overall Singapore dollar is still the stronger currency in the world. So if you attend my webinar during that time in November, then congratulations to you lah. Okay, I hope that you managed to convert some of the US dollar to Sing dollar. So what happened to Straits Time Index? 所以海峡指数的话，所以我们先看这个海峡指数 ，right? So what happened to SDI index? Actually, SDI index is considered pretty strong recently. They didn't drop much. Can you see that? They didn't drop much. And very obvious 3,300 is resistant. And although they did pull back to 3,280, all right, around 80. But then the SDI index managed to rebound again. So it's pretty strong. Singapore. So although some of the bank stock didn't rebound much, but the price are still staying at what we call that above the support level. So 新加坡股市的话，其实到目前为止它是属于不上不下的状况，所以不上不下的状况其实是不容易做，除非你做短线就可以。所以如果你要做中期的话会比较难，因为它没有什么下。所以当时候你还记得那个银行大跌的时候，其实是最好的机会买进，那时候是在3月中。So as of now, SDI index didn't drop much. Okay, so when it didn't drop much 的话it's a bit difficult for you to make good money, obviously, as compared to mid of March.When the bank stock went down due to the US bank stock crisis, all right? So currently, SDI index still near the support level. So I think it all depends on the US, okay? A lot of people are still waiting for the earning to be released, okay? So now we are in the, what we call that, earning season. So there are a lot of investors waiting for the earning. So if the earning is good, okay, then maybe the stock will continue to go up. If the earning is not good, maybe we will see a correction, right? So this for SDI index. And then S&P 500的话，它的状况是如何？ 其实 S&P 500的话，其实它的趋势是蛮不错的。Alright, so if you look at S&P 500, they continue to go up. Okay, so the price is actually moving up, and then very obvious they are in the resistance. Okay, very obvious they are in the resistance, and it's a pretty strong resistance. All right, so will the price continue to break up above the resistance? Okay, so nobody know, but look like it will break through 了看它样子的话，这个 S&P 500的话虽然它是在这个阻力很明显，但是有可能它会突破这个阻力。Alright， 有可能它会突破这个阻力，所以我们要就是说要观察了这几天的状况。但是anything can happen. Like what I mentioned, stock market is dynamic, so anything can happen. Okay, so we will see how. So what I mean, the price is pretty strong is because you can see that the price is actually hovering near the resistance. So there was a build up. In technical term means that there is a build up, okay, near the resistance. So that means people are accumulating instead of selling. So if you look at the previous, right? So if you look at the previous scenario, the price is actually moving down, right? So 它之前的走向是下降趋势，短暂的下降趋势。如果你看最近的话，其实它是走上的趋势所以他们两个其实是不一样的状况 ，right？ So that's why I think the price may break through. Okay, may break through. All right. So this is a positive sign for S&P 500. Okay, and then 我们看这个 Nasdaq 纳斯达克 okay, Nasdaq, right? Nasdaq, okay, yesterday, last night, they tried to break through. In fact, they managed to break through, but the price actually pulled back, okay? And the price also stay above the support level. So this is another good sign, okay? And we also see that a small build-up is here, okay? So this is a small build-up, right? It means that there are some people are accumulating, okay, because they want to be standby to push up the price higher. 所以很明显其实做多的人比这个做少的人还多，所以意思是说买进的人比卖出的人更多了，所以导致这个指数其实没有什么跌，所以这个是显示了一个非常好的状况。有可能市场它会继续的往上爬，当然你是要注意啦如果这个趋势往上爬的话，并不代表说它会是一个直线的涨，它也是会回调。所以回调的时候，如果你玩短期或者是中期的话，你要注意一些。So obviously, like what I mentioned, Nasdaq component already enter bull market, which I mentioned previously. Okay, already entered bull market. Having said that, the price is actually break above 200-day moving average, and then it's quite positive. There's no bad news, right? So the momentum may continue. So having said that, the market is entering bull market. It doesn't mean that the stock market will go up in a straight line. Stock market is driven by the human psychology behavior. Everyone, the objective is different. Some people, they want to buy for short term because they are trading for a living, and then some of the people, they are buying for mid-term, okay, so they may want to take some profit. So stock market may pull back, but as of now the index is quite positive, okay, look like they want to break through, okay, look like, okay. So we'll see how this few days, okay. 所以在这几天的话是非常关键的。如果它的纳斯达克继续守卫在这个support level 上面的话，有可能它会继续的涨。如果它跌回或者是跌回的话，有可能我们就要继续的观察。所以整体来说其实是不错的状况。So what about Hang Seng Index? So Hang Seng Index also begin to rebound. Okay, so you can see based on my drawing, right? So they begin to rebound slowly as compared to the previous rebound. Previous rebound from November was aggressive. Then after that, pull back, and now they begin to rebound. So if you attended my preview previously, I always mentioned that Hong Kong market was a potential market. 所以如果你之前有上我的研讨会的话，我每次都有讲这个香港股市其实是一个非常有很大的机会。所以如果当初你有买进的话，也是恭喜你们了到目前为止来说，香港股市还是属于很低的状况虽然它是有反弹，可是还是属于很低的状况。如果你是跟这个之前的高相比的话 ，So Hong Kong market still have a lot of potential. So that's why I always encourage you to look at the Hong Kong market as well. Even though you are trading Singapore market is small market, okay? But if you want to buy some healthcare stock, okay, you want to buy some other businesses like electrical vehicle, okay, biotech business, Singapore don't have so that's why you need to go overseas market, so either US or Hong Kong. 所以我每次跟大家分享的话，就是说，如果你能的话，也是要参考一些香港或者是美国市场毕竟有些公司没有在这个香港上市没有在新加坡上市，所以你没有机会买到这个非常好或者是优秀的公司，所以你就是说只有香港或者是美国有了。Alright, so you can see that every time when I notice the opportunity, I always encourage you to take a look the market. So like what I mentioned, Hong Kong market, most of the company are from China company. So I think most of you know that China will become the biggest economy in the world, probably in 2025 or 2030. So this is a very big thing. So when they become a big economic, then what will happen to the stock market? You imagine. So now when the thing is still cheap, okay, why not you accumulate some of the good company okay, right? So so let us see. So what happened? Okay, so basically in summary, STI are stagnant. Okay, probably because waiting for the earning result. S&P 500 resistant, and then Nasdaq also resistant. All right, and Hang Seng rebound. Okay, so S&P 500 and what we call that, Nasdaq, maybe. Okay, so I put maybe will break through maybe. Okay, breakthrough. Right, so these are the summary for the index performance. Okay, so next thing, okay, 我们看 so what happened next? 你看的话，其实什么板块是在上涨？很明显就是这个3个板块了So what are the sector that is performing? Number 1 is communication. Number 2 is IT. Number 3 is consumer discretionary. So if you look at the bank, okay, the bank are going down. Okay, healthcare going down a little bit, energy also going down. Okay, so if you look at energy, energy was the best performing sector last year. Okay, bank was the best performing sector. Okay, last year as well. 所以风水轮流转，当一个资产便宜的时候，这些基金经理的话就会卖出他们的股票，OK，然后把这个资金流入这个比较便宜的资产，所以这个很明显它的资金已经开始流入这个科技板块，尤其是这个美国科技板块 ，Alright，so 科技的话，其实科技是有助就是说调低这个inflations，right？ So basically, technology do help to bring down the inflation. Why is that so? Because technology, we cannot live without the technology. Every one of us use technology for our daily life, right? It's like become a every day that we must use. Okay, so if you ask yourself, how many times you are looking at the Facebook or TikTok, right, or Instagram, I think almost every day. So basically, we cannot live without inflation. So that means that certain things can be automated. Like for example, if we look at the what we call that car, okay, car production is become automations. All right. So when the car become automation, they no need people to work with them. So they use robot. So that's why when people don't have much money to make, then they will spend less. When they spend less, then they will bring down the inflation. All right. So same thing for Amazon. Okay. So you can see there, if you go to their supermarket, it's actually cashless. Okay. So they don't have a people to accept money from you. So the counter is automations as well. All right. So technology basically in long term, they'll bring down the inflation. So that's why if you look at your portfolio, is your portfolio have a technology sector or not? 所以如果是科技会就是说注意这个调低这个通胀的话，所以你要看你的股票你股票里面有没有这个科技股？所以这个科技股的话，有可能长期的话是会继续的涨。所以虽然就是说你喜欢其他的公司的话，但是你也是要知道说科技股也是就是说we cannot live without technology stock. So that's why in long term, I think technology stock will be a potential stock that we must have in our portfolio. So mastering price action costs. I know that some of you who already attended my class, thank you very much. Some of you have not making any decision yet. So that's why I take this opportunity, right, to recommend you to attend this mastering price actions. Reason is because that drawing trend line, okay, technical analysis, okay, I believe everyone know how to do it, but how to choose the right stock, that is another question. A lot of people choose the wrong stock and then they apply the price actions, right? And then when that happen, they usually, making a losses, then they blame technical analysis is no good. But you have to look at yourself, what stock that you are buying, okay? If the stock does not fulfill our criteria, okay, and then you go and apply price action, obviously you cannot make money. So in order for you to increase your knowledge, right, and to find the right stock, then you need to attend the right workshop to increase your knowledge. All right. So if you think that someone who may benefit from this workshop, you may want to share this workshop with them so that they can attend, because as of now, this class is still under subsidy up to 70%. Okay, so it's the subsidy up to 70%, but this subsidy is not permanent. It will be terminated anytime soon. Okay, so if this is a good class, okay, that you have attended, all right, then you might want to recommend it to your friend, family member, or anyone that you think it might be benefit them. So what happened to the Singapore stock? Okay, Singapore stock, the buyback of the Singapore stock, OCBC Bank, SembCorp Industry, Keppel REITs, okay, I do not know what company is this, Comba Telecom, and then Yangzijiang Singapore Exchange, ST Engineering, Nanofilm. So buyback is a good thing for company, but it doesn't mean that the stock price will go up. So you still need to take a look at the chart. 所以买回股票，自己公司的股票其实是好事，但是它并不代表说这个股票一定会涨哦。可是我们还是可以把它放进去我们的 watch list，然后我们又用这个技术分析来决定是否要买进或者是卖出。And this is a stock watch list. There are some stock that I noticed, especially SIA, Top Glove, and then Nanofilm. So we take a look at this stock, and then from there we'll see what happened, right? So SIA. So we take a look at SIA, right? So SIA currently they are near the support level, okay? So SIA is near the support level. So I think it's an opportunity right now. And if it is opportunity, you might want to use the, what we call that, price actions for entry purposes. And then so that, you know, the rest you can leave it to the stock market. So currently near the support level. So previously when they touch the support level, they also rebound. All right. So I still think that SIA still got potential. Okay. And then followed by Nanofilm. So Nanofilm, actually, I talked about this stock previously many times. All right. I talked about this stock many times. Okay, previously. All right. So you can see that the price is actually sloping up. And then today the price touches the support level. So I still think that this is a opportunity. Okay. So the price went up, touches support, and then maybe rebound. Okay. So although it's hitting the, what we call that, the resistance of 200-day moving average is quite a strong resistance. So that's why they pull back at $1.80. Okay, $1.80 pull back. 所以其实 Nanofilm 其实是蛮美的哦。所以如果你今天就是你今天有来的话，就是一个机会了哦。But then like what I mentioned, do set a stop loss. Okay, do set a stop loss whenever you buy the stock. All right, do set a stop loss. So today, yeah, Nanofilm is an opportunity as well. All right, so it's pull back, and then so right. Yep. So you can see that the price begin to change the direction from downtrend to uptrend. So basically, this is what we have doing. So the idea of price action is that we don't want our money to be stuck. The idea of price action is that we don't want our money to be stuck. Reason is because that every one of us have a limited money. So we want to buy only when the price begin to move. Okay, when the price begin to move is because buyers are coming in. Okay, and obviously when the buyer are coming in, they are able to push up the price lah. Okay, so basically we want to make money together with them. Right, so Nanofilm got potential. Okay, so you can put this stock into your watch list. Right, so in fact there is a buy setup here. All right, but having said that, nothing is 100%. You still need to set stop loss. Right. So 其实如果你看Nanofilm 的话，其实它几次都有经常的经常的机会 ，right? And then followed by a Top Glove. So Top Glove 的话，其实也是 虽然是下降趋势哦，可是最近它有开始反弹 ，OK，right， 所以开始反弹，而且还突破这个200天的平均线 ，OK， 所以到目前为止来说，它是在这个 support level。OK， 所以如果它有继续跌的话，那 support 有可能是3毛5分哦，3毛5分，所以其实这个机会是有可能也是一个进场的时候。Right, so previously the high was 35 cents, so that was a resistance. So after breakthrough, now they are pulling back. So 今天的话，其实这个 Top Glove 跟 Nanofilm 的话，其实是可以考虑进场哦，可以考虑进场。Alright, so basically hitting the resistance, okay, and then the price breakthrough, and then they pull back. So I'm not sure will they go down further before they rebound, or what happened. Or maybe they move before they rebound, right? So we'll see how. Okay, so always set stop loss. Okay, if you are buying, so always set stop loss if you are buying. So you can set your below entry price. Okay, set below your entry price. All right, so it's quite interesting. I think still got potential. Okay, and 其他的股票是怎样？其他的股票的话 ，Keppel DC， 我们看 Keppel DC。So Keppel DC also touching the resistance, right? So we can see that today they are rebound. Today they rebound and still got potential. Okay, reason is because that the price begin to rebound as well. Right, so previously was downtrend, so now the trend begin to change from downtrend to uptrend. Right, so Keppel DC, I talked about this stock many times previously. All right, so if you are making money, please type yes. Okay, at least I can know. If you make money from this watch list, okay, please let me know. You type yes and then followed by the stock name. Okay, and then SembCorp Industry, one of my favorite. Right, so the price begin to pull back a little bit. So where's the support? Maybe the support is here, huh? Right, so the price is considered pretty high and overbought, but the price keep moving up higher and higher. So the next resistance is where? The next resistance is $4.40. $4.40. Right, so they may move in the range before they break through or break down. All right, and then what else? Genting Singapore. So Genting Singapore still have potential, although the price is resting now, and the price is pretty strong. 所以新加坡这个 Genting 新加坡的话，还算是很强的股票虽然它现在是在休息了可以说是，就是说买家还没有出场这个庄家还没有出场，还是在里面庄家还在里面有可能他会把这个股票继续推上去，而且是慢慢的推 ，right？ 所以如果你有在这个股票赚钱的话，请 type yes，OK？然后大人堂的话最近上很多，所以如果你有赚钱的话，也是恭喜你们恭喜你们了 ，right？ So they went up as high as 107%, right? So yesterday they pull back 昨天它有 pull back， 所以如果你有收到我们的 Telegram 的话其实我们有教你们前天有教你们 套利一些 ，alright？ 所以因为它已经属于这个超买区啊，很多人买进，所以你可以看到，其实我们买进的时候是差不多是在2.2左右 ，right？ 还没有人注意的时候，我们就开始买进啊，差不多是在这边 ，right？Then after that， 这个股票继续的涨 ，OK？So congratulations to you if you buy. And I hope that my webinar can add value to you lah. So if you think that I can add value to you, I also hope that you can use our Podium account to trade. 所以我希望说，如果这个 webinar 可以帮助到你 ，OK？ 所以每个星期的话，而且如果是跟其他的reminder 不一样的话，我的做法 then 我希望说你可以用我们的 Podium 户口来 trade 啦，因为为什么呢？因为是一个力量来的。如果我继续做下去，然后没有这个力量的话，then 有可能你们就会错过了这个机会，也没有机会看到这些比较好的股票。所以我希望说 ，please，如果你有跟我们开户口的话，继续用我们的户口哈。And what else? Food Empire. So Food Empire also resting recently, right? Food Empire also resting recently. So you can see my previous drawing. It either go down or go up, but then it choose to go down. So when its price move to sideways, but good thing is that they rebound. So the momentum continue. All right, I think still got opportunity. All right, so I think still got opportunity. 所以庄家完全还没有出场啊，庄家其实还是在场 ，OK， 有可能他要 push up 这个价位更高，所以 resistance 的话，有可能是在1.05，所以你要注意了，1.05，如果它要突破1.05的话，有可能它的趋势会继续的涨 ，right？And Delfi， 我们看一下 Delfi。So Delfi 的话，其实最近并不是，怎么讲，会比较难赚钱一点，因为它开始走横摆，so they begin move in the sideways. So when they move in the sideways, so a bit difficult to make money. So previously was uptrend, and then the price gap up, all right. So right now the price begin to move in the sideways, which a little bit to make money, all right. So you may continue to observe, okay, but like what I mentioned, do set stop loss. Nothing is 100%. Another stock is Keppel Corp. Keppel Corp is one of the strongest stock as well, and then they keep moving up from the support level of $5.30. So support level based on my previous drawing, $5.30. 所以之前都有讲到这个 support level 是在差不多5.3毛。So that's why I encourage every one of you to come back every week for this webinar, so that you know where is the support level and where is the resistance level, so that you can know when to buy and when to sell 了所以每次我是跟大家说，每个星期其实你可以回来，因为每个星期的话，股市它的变动很大，所以如果它有回调的时候，then 我就可以告诉你 ，OK， 它回调是机会进场，所以如果它超卖的话then 你就可以套利一些So basically, Keppel Corp is considered one of the strong stock as well, right? So what happened next? So the Singapore stock, the US stock, basically the semicon is still the best performing stock, and then followed by energy stock. Although energy sector are dropping, but there are some stock that are still strong. But I think just be careful, because some of the stock is considered expensive also, right? Exxon Mobil, all right. So the price is hovering near the resistance level. Okay, so there is a build up here, right? So the build up means that they can move in both directions, either break through or break down. 所以我们还是要比较谨慎一点。All right. So you just need to be careful because when the stock move in the sideway, there are two scenarios, either break through or break down. Okay. And what else? Consumer discretionary. ELF. Okay, ELF. So what happened to ELF, right? ELF continue to go up aggressively. Okay, is it aggressively? Yeah. So 它涨了差不多230%. Alright, so again, congratulations to you. Alright, because I talk about this stock since last year. 去年我就开始讲这个美国股了ELF. 所以如果你有赚钱的话，让我知道一下。你 type yes, you make money from the ELF. Okay. So again, the price is considered overbought again. So what does that mean? Overbought means that profit taking may happen anytime soon. Profit taking may happen anytime soon. So that's why you need to be careful if you are buying this stock. Okay, you may want to take some profit, 30% profit or 40% of the profit. Okay. And what else? 太阳能 First Solar. So First Solar, they are in the resistance as well. Okay. So look like the price may break through also. Okay, because what happened is the price is actually sloping up. Okay, so it's quite optimistic. And this is one of the stock that I talk about since last year also. 从去年开始就讲这个股票，讲到它一直继续的涨，而且 gap up 之前3月头它就 gap up. Alright, so now it's having a resistance. Okay, but look like the price may break through. Okay, may break through. Alright, so let us observe. Okay. So 香港股票的话 okay, AK Medical. What happened to AK Medical? Let's take a look. Right. So AK Medical 就好像我讲的，就是说，如果你用技术分析的话，pullback， so 现在是在这个超买区，所以之前你们有买的人，其实可以套利啊，可以套利哦。因为什么呢？如果你看它的股票的话，其实有可能它会回调了 ，right？ 有可能它会回调，所以当它回调的时候，你再进回咯 ，OK？ 所以so congratulations to you, okay? So if you buy this stock, alright, they rebound also, okay? How many percent? 差不多是24%, 24%, okay? 24%这个盈利 ，alright? So now, you may take profit because based on the previous historical data, they may pull back. They may pull back, right? They may pull back. So what's go up may come down. All right, what's go up may come down. Okay, so these are the stock that I've been looking. So you can see that the stock are moving up strong. Okay, if you are using, so if you choose the right stock, then you apply the price actions. Okay, but if you choose the wrong stock, no matter how you apply the trend line, okay, the price action you cannot make money. 所以我的意思是说，很多人他就是做错了选择去选那些比较烂股选了烂股 then 他用技术分析 then 最后他亏钱，他就赖这个技术分析不好。其实刚才我是一直讲你的选择，你股票的选择是否有做对吗？你选对股票吗？ So are you choosing the right stock? That's a key point which a lot of people misunderstood and which a lot of people overlook. All right. So that's why in the price action class, I will teach you how to choose the right stock. After that, you apply the price action. That should be the way. Okay. Not choose your own stock, apply on the price action, because your own stock may not be fulfill the price action criteria. So that's why you need to choose the right stock and apply the price actions. All right. So what about your stocks? OK， 所以你们现在是看什么股票？所以如果你可以把你的问题放在这个评论区，然后我就会挑选一部分了哈，我会挑选一部分。Yeah, like what I mentioned, ComfortDelGro. 其实我每次在讲 ComfortDelGro is a downtrend stock，OK？所以我希望说你们可以听到我在讲什么。So it's very obvious, all right? ComfortDelGro is a stock that very difficult for you to make money. So that's why when you choose the stock, you must choose the right stocks. If you are looking for dividend, maybe still okay. But if the price continue to go down, your dividend may not be able to cover your losses. So if you look at the chart, ComfortDelGro is very difficult to make money. So basically, I don't have a comment, all right? Because company, nothing wrong with the company. Is considered good company in Singapore. Okay, so just that the people are not buying. Okay, there's no demand. Okay, when there's no demand, the price not moving up. So if you have attended my class, I hope that you understand what am I talking about. When you want to buy stock, you must choose the stock that is a demand, so that okay, you can make money together with the people who are buying the stock. All right, so ComfortDelGro is downtrend, and there's no sign of rebound also. Okay, there's no sign of rebound also. All right. So yeah, so I will not touch this stock lah for now. Keppel Infrastructure. Keppel Infrastructure. Keppel Infrastructure. 有没有 code number? Do you have code number or not? Infra. Let me know the code number. Yeah. TCU. So what is happening to this stock? If you look at the chart, there's no volume for this stock, right? Yeah. So when there's no volume for this stock, it's a bit difficult for you to buy lah. Are you going to buy and hold for a long term? Because we do not know when the price is moving up. So when we are using the price actions, we want to buy when the stock begin to move up, because we don't want our money to be stuck. OK， 所以最重要就是我们用 price action 的意思是说，我们不要把我们的钱就是套来在一些股票了。所以如果你看的话，这个股票没有什么量 ，right? There's not much volume in this stock. So if you buy, I worry that you need to wait for very long periods. But however, there are some stock that keep moving up. So you need to decide where to park your money is. Okay? Right. So again, I will choose the stock randomly. All right. Apologize to you if I cannot, if I miss out your stock. Okay. Right. So UMS actually recently also not really performing well. Okay. 所以我们看 UMS 的话 all right. So what happened? Okay. So basically it does touch the support level. All right. So we'll observe this few days lah. If you want to buy, maybe hopefully it will rebound. Okay, so this is a resistance 112 resistance. All right, so it looked like the price touches the support level, but however, like what I mentioned, nothing is 100%. You need to set the stop loss. Okay, you need to set the stop loss. All right. Right, but looking at the stock chart, actually the chart doesn't look really nice lah. Okay, but like what I mentioned, there is a setup here. Okay, buy setup touches the support level， 所以它的进入价位有可能是1.5哦，1.5的话，你也是要放止损啦吼。所以然后它的 target price 差不多是1.1毛2 ，OK， 1.1毛2。Capital Invest, Capital Land Invest. Capital Invest is a dividend stock, all right. There's nothing much to worry because the price is still strong, okay. But if you are looking to buy, maybe you want to wait, okay. I think 3.50 cent is the best price to buy, okay. 3.50 cent, and then the resistance may be at $4, all right. So depends on individual. Okay, if you are buying for dividend, basically, you no need to worry too much. But if you are buying for price appreciation, then you might want to look at the chart to decide what's the best price to enter lah. So the best price to enter is $3.50, and then if you want to take profit is $4. SATS. Right. So what happened to SATS? So SATS is pulling back. Okay. So where is the support level? Right. So 2.7的话，大概是一个 support level, right? 所以之前有教你们买进了，然后在最低点的时候，I think most of you subscribe the right, $2.20. I think congratulations to you. $2.20, I think is a very reasonable price if you compare with the previous high $4.10. 所以如果你有 subscribe 那个 rights 的话，2.2毛的话，你今天就赚了哦，今天就赚了 ，right? So now the price is touching the support level of $2.70. So if you want to accumulate, I think $2.70 you can accumulate if you want to buy more of these stocks, right? Okay, so where is the resistance? Maybe the resistance is here. Right, $2.83, the immediate resistance, $2.80, right? So what else? SembCorp Marine. SembCorp Marine. So what happened to SembCorp Marine? So SembCorp Marine actually near the support level, okay? Actually near the support level. So the price is actually near support level 118, okay? 118, right? And what happened to the price? Right? So maybe the resistance is somewhere here. Okay. Of course, if the price can break through, then will be a good news. Okay. And this is the resistance 0.126. 所以到目前为止来说 SembCorp Marine is near support level. So if you want to accumulate right now, I think should be okay. Okay, should be okay because the price is near support level, and then just set a stop loss just below your stop loss, just below your entry price. All right. So the price did pull back, and now is an opportunity, okay, for the entry. All right, opportunity for the entry. Keppel Corp's hourglass. We take a look hourglass. Long time never talk about this stock. What happened to this stock? So this stock went up a lot. I talk about this stock when the price was here. OK， 所以以前我有讲这个股票了，好像是去年它还是上升趋势的时候。then 过后我就没有讲了，为什么呢？过后它的价格就开始不美了哈，它开始跌破它的 support level。虽然它有回来哦 ，so previously I did talk about this stock when the price was moving in the uptrend. Okay, but after that, when the price break below the support level, then I don't talk about this stock anymore because it was too high already. All right, so and then the price is also telling us higher low, so the price is sloping down. 所以其实整体来说庄家已经没有炒这个股票哦，庄家没有炒这个股票的话，它的股价会比较难涨 ，all right？ Aztec 的话 is not moving as well, okay？ Aztec is not really moving as well, right? If you compare with Nanofilm will be better 啦 ，OK？ 所以看它样子的话，庄家是还没有炒这个股票 ，right？ And what happened? So the price sloping down. So the price is actually unpredictable. Okay. So the support level is near the 79 cent. Okay, 79 cent. Right. So if you buy this stock, you need to wait. Okay. So it's a bit unpredictable. 所以整体来说，这个股票并不是很美了。所以跟那个 Nanofilm 的话，如果你要的话，不如你选 Nanofilm 不是更好 ？Alright， 所以 overall this stock is not really attractive 啦，哈 ，not really attractive. Alright, so if you want to choose, why not you choose Nanofilm? I think Nanofilm got a higher chance. Okay, higher chance. Alright. DBS. Okay, we see DBS. Right. DBS actually you want you can. If you want to buy you can, all right, because the price pull back. You buy little bit first lah. 你买少许先. So actually the price is actually pull back. So now they are near the support level. So if you want to buy some, I think it's okay. You can accumulate some. All right. So overall, DBS is still considered uptrend. Just that the momentum of this stock has been slowing down lah, because last year they already went up. So the momentum slowed down, but now, now the price, there is a setup. So you want, you can, you buy little first, okay? Depending on your strategy. If you are looking for midterm, then you might want to set stop loss. All right. So depend on the strategy. So this DBS, okay? Joey Ng, can Nanofilm go for long term? We don't go for long term lah. We go for midterm, can. All right. Nothing is permanent because if I tell you right now, right, anything can be changed next time，你明白吗？所以这个 long term 这个词非常危险的虽然我们现在看是不错，可是并不代表说接下来1-2个月会不会很好。所以我不会跟你讲是 long term，我还是会跟你讲是 mid term 是比较好。Alright， 所以 you have to understand, okay? Nothing is permanent. Alright, so decide based on the chart. Okay, decide based on the chart. Okay. Singtel. So we see Singtel. What happened to Singtel? Long time never talk about this stock also. How is it Singtel, right? So look like the price try to break through. Actually, Singtel not bad, okay? If you miss out the opportunity, okay, the opportunity is actually here. 所以最美的价钱买进是2块3毛4。That's the best price to enter. So you can see that the price begin to move in a sideway. All right. So now they are also near the support level. So 有可能 the next target price is $2.64. So currently the price is near the support level of this 200-day moving average here. All right, so I think got chance. Okay, got chance. Okay, so the next resistance may be at $2.64. $2.64. All right, but of course, if you can try to buy near the $2.34, you need to wait. Okay, so every time when they pull back, you see the price $2.34 is the best price to enter. So dynamic. Yep, dynamic. We talked about it last week. So the price is continue to move up. So if I'm not wrong, based on my drawing, the price choose to go up further, but now it's already expensive. I did talk about this stock previously, but then the price not moving up until recently. They went up and break through the what we call that, the support resistance. Okay, so this is the resistance. All right, so this is another resistance. So they finally break through and then the price continue, but now the price is already expensive. Okay, so if you manage to buy earlier, you might want to consider take some profit also, right? So it's quite obvious all right, so the sub resistance is 27. So don't be too greedy. If you make money, maybe you can consider to take some profit, right? So this dynamic. Best world. So what happened to Best World? Best World also resting. Okay, so when they hit the resistance, so this is double top, right? So where's the support level? The support is here. Right? So will they go down further? 它会继续跌吗？所以我们还不懂我们还不懂，所以通常这个状况的话所以我们要看。So if the price continue to stay above support level, then got chance to go up. But if the price continue to stay below, they may go below. So there are two scenarios actually right now for this stock, right? So support $2.19, resistance is $2.15. So right now they are in the middle. Okay, look like the price is below the support level. Okay, so we need to observe this few days. Okay, so but the best price to enter is still $2.19. Okay, or $2.18. Right, $2.18. CFM. So what is CFM? CFM. What stock is this? Is this one? CFM? This stock also difficult for you to make money. All right. So if the stock is difficult for you to make money, then my suggestion to you is that try to skip this kind of stock 啦。通常如果你要赚钱的话，你要看这个股票有没有人买。其实没有人买，所以没有人买的话，你就要等。可是你要明白说，你的钱是有限哦，你越等越久，他没有买的话，其他股票已经上了，所以你就会错过很多机会。So it's a time opportunity. Right now there are no demand. So if you buy this stock, then you have to wait long. The question is that you do not know when the price is going to move, right? So every one of us have a limited money. So if you buy this stock, then you need to hold for a certain period. But other stock already begin to move, then you might miss out the other stock opportunity. Let me see. AEM. We take a look AEM. AEM. So what happened to AEM? Okay, AEM, although is still downtrend, we see how look like got chance to rebound. Look like got chance to rebound. Okay, although the price lower low and the price did break through, and then we see. Okay, so basically the price got chance, and we'll see how. All right. So if you want to buy some, you can accumulate some, right? You can accumulate some, just that the resistance is somewhere here around 50-day moving average, right? 所以之前是上升趋势，然后它跌破 ，OK， 然后它就往向走。But 最近的话，它有开始回来，所以有开始回来的意思是说有人开始买进了。So that means the demand, there is a demand for this stock. Okay, so if you want, you can actually accumulate some. All right. So is this around this area? And to join as my client, so iFast is still weak. Okay, iFast is still weak. All right. So we are not touching this stock since the price still continue to go down. Okay. So 目前为止没有去 touch 这个 stocks. All right. So look like the price is near the support level. Okay. So we will see how if the price is going up or going down. So there are two scenarios right now. Okay, so there are two scenarios. So if go up, I think got potential. If go down, then we can ignore first 啦。所以到目前为止来说，有两个说法。如果它有突破的话，4块8毛突破 ，then 有可能还有机会涨。如果它跌破的话 ，then 我们可以暂时不要看它先。毕竟它还是算属于下降趋势的股票，而且最近也是波动蛮大的。OK， so these are the stock. Okay, I hope you enjoy the stock.